All right, welcome back. We're getting crazy. We are the Nutty Scientists. We have Lizzie with us. Welcome, Lizzie.
Thanks, Taylor.
So what are we doing today?
Okay, so as Stephanie just talked about, St. Patrick's Day is coming up, right? So we thought we'd tie in a little theme using the leprechauns.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
So what do leprechauns normally have? A pot of
gold.
Pot of gold, right? So we have some gold
right
right
here.
here. We can go ahead and put it in our little pot. Okay, perfect. That's great.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to be doing a chemical reaction today. So we're going to pour some vinegar into there.
All of it or just?
Yeah, you can pour it all in.
Ooh, this actually kind of looks really pretty right now.
All right, and then we're going to go ahead and put a few drops of this, if you wouldn't mind stirring it so the water turns green. Or vinegar, sorry.
Okay, we are green.
That's right. So normally leprechauns want to protect their gold,
yeah,
right? They don't want you to find the pot at the end of the rainbow. So we're going to set a little trap.
Uh-oh.
So we're going to make this a little erupting pot. You want to go ahead and take some of our baking soda.
Okay.
Just grab a big spoonful.
So what kind of chemical reaction is this going to make?
So the baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar has acetic acid in it. So when we combine them together, it forms a fizzy eruption.
Wait, this is so cool.
So guys, this is our leprechaun trap. No one can get the gold now.
This is so, my mind is blown right now. This is so easy too.
It is. I was just trying to wake you up. I need to retire today.
Yeah, no, this definitely woke me up. Oh, we always make a mess on the show whenever you come, and today is no exception. So people will have this stuff, maybe minus the gold at their home that they can do.
That's
for their
right.
kids.
Yeah, definitely.
That's incredible. Oh, I'm getting glitter. I'm getting gold everywhere.
That's part of the mess, right?
It's part of the mess. And so you guys are known for camps. Do you have any upcoming camps?
We do. We have our spring break camp coming up. So that'll be the week of Easter. It starts on the 15th, so parents can remember that as tax day.
Yeah.
Everybody will be on edge that day.
Be on edge. And so I'm guessing, do spots fill up quickly? Do they need to register now?
They do. We had a lot of people disappointed with Mardi Gras camp because they called a few days prior and we were sold out. So make sure you grab your spots.
Wonderful. And where can they go if they want to grab a spot and get involved with some science fun?
Yeah, so you can go to our website, nuttyscientist.com/Acadiana.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so cool. If you want to see how we did it again, we'll post it online, kadn.com. Lizzie, it's always a fun time when you hear it. Can I add more baking soda? We'll let you do the same thing.
It will not do it again. Unfortunately, the eruptions only happen once.
This is sad. Well, you can watch the instant replay on our website. We'll be right back after the break.